Here's a question for you. Have you ever worked out hard at the gym, expecting major results, only to find that your progress is slower than you hoped? If this sounds familiar, you might be missing one of the most important pieces of the fitness puzzle: sleep. That's right, your body doesn't grow stronger in the gym. It grows stronger while you're asleep. Stick around, because today we're diving deep into how sleep fuels your gains, boosts recovery, and can completely transform your fitness journey. Let's start with what happens to your muscles when you exercise. During a workout, especially resistance training, your muscles experience micro-tears. It's this process that stimulates muscle growth and strength. But here's the catch. Those tiny tears don't heal when you're pumping iron or running on the treadmill. They heal later, primarily during deep sleep. When you reach deep sleep, your body produces growth hormone, essential for tissue repair and muscle growth. Without enough sleep, your body doesn't get the chance to fully recover, leaving you feeling sore and delaying your progress. Research shows that getting less than 6 hours of sleep per night can reduce strength, endurance, and even coordination. It's like trying to drive a car with a half-empty gas tank. It just doesn't perform as well. So how does sleep, or lack of it, affect your performance in the gym or on the field? When you're well rested, your energy levels, focus, and reaction times are at their peak. But when you're sleep deprived, your body struggles to produce glycogen, your primary fuel source for intense exercise. This means you'll fatigue faster and won't perform at your best. So whether you're lifting weights, running a marathon, or playing a sport, sleep can literally make or break your performance. Now that you know why sleep is so important, let's talk about how you can optimize your rest for maximum recovery and gains. Your body loves routine. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your internal clock, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Make your bedroom a sanctuary for sleep. Keep the room cool. Around 65 degrees is ideal, and eliminate distractions like light and noise. If you struggle with falling asleep, try using a white noise machine or blackout curtains to create the perfect environment. What you do in the hours leading up to bedtime matters. Avoid heavy meals, alcohol, and caffeine late in the day, and ditch the screens at least an hour before bed. The blue light from phones and tablets can suppress melatonin, the hormone that signals your body it's time to sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep at night, naps can be your secret weapon. A quick 20 to 30-minute nap during the day can give you a burst of energy and aid recovery without interfering with your nighttime sleep. But don't overdo it. Longer naps can leave you feeling groggy and mess with your sleep cycle. Let's break down the science of sleep cycles. Each cycle lasts about 90 minutes and includes light sleep, deep sleep, and REM sleep. Deep sleep is when your body focuses on physical recovery, while REM sleep is essential for mental recovery. To get the most out of your rest, aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep to complete multiple cycles each night. Think of it like this. Every cycle is an opportunity for your body to repair and recharge. Cut your sleep short, and you're leaving gains on the table. When you prioritize sleep, the benefits go beyond the gym. You'll have better energy, improved focus, and even a stronger immune system. And plus, you'll recover faster, which means you can hit the gym harder and see results sooner. Think of sleep as the ultimate performance enhancer. No pills, no supplements, just good quality rest. So the next time you're tempted to stay up late binge-watching your favorite show, remember this: your muscles grow when you sleep. The better you'll rest, the stronger you'll become. Make sleep a non-negotiable part of your fitness routine and watch your performance and recovery soar. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your gym buddies. Until next time, sleep well and train smart.